Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm Charlie. This is 18 State Outdoors. Thanks for tuning back in. Today, I got a recipe for y'all I want to try. It's smoked redfish sliders. Let's get to it. Alright, so here's what you're going to need: large Ziploc bag, some measuring devices, a whisk, a bowl to mix everything in. You can cook this in the oven or a grill. If you're going to opt for the oven, you're going to need some liquid smoke. If you're going to do a grill, which I am, you're going to need some wood chunks. I prefer real wood over the liquid smoke. Some red onions, some soy sauce, molasses, black pepper, freshly squeezed lemon, your favorite kind of cheese, and some sweet rolls. And of course the main ingredient, redfish. Alright, so first we're going to do a half a cup of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of molasses and 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon. 2 teaspoons of ground black pepper. Now we're going to mix it all together. Put the redfish fillet in the bag, mix it together, pour it in, and then we're going to refrigerate it for about 2 to 3 hours. Mix it real well. Once you get it mixed, pour it in. Close up the bag. Mix it around real well. Now, since this has the skin on it, I'm actually going to set it in the fridge with the skin up so that all the juice hits the meat. But we're going to let that marinate in the fridge for at least 2 to 3 hours. The longer you let it sit, the more it's going to soak into the meat. So we're going to set that in there and go get everything set up with the grill. Once it's done marinating, you want to go ahead and drain out the excess and then just give it a pat dry and let it warm to about room temperature. Once your grill's all fired up, ready to go, set the fillet on there. I'm doing it with somewhat indirect heat and cook it till it pretty much flakes with a fork. When your fish is done and it's ready to come off the grill, we're going to go ahead and scrape all this meat off since it's still on the skin. Mix it up just to get all the flavors mixed around, good to go. And then we're going to eat. Once you get it in, just chop it up to some fine pieces. Next, get you your roll. Now you can put some butter on these and put them on the grill to char them up real quick if you'd like. I prefer it like this. Take you a fork full. Next, you're going to put your favorite cheese on there. You can do without cheese if you want, but I like cheese. Next, we're going to go with the pickled onions, pickled red onions. Right on top. And there you have it, everybody. Smoked redfish sliders. Enjoy.